Tired of digital distractions? Meet the Remarkable 2, your ultimate paper-like tablet. Experience distraction-free productivity, perfect for notes, documents, and creative thinking. Let's dive into why this e-ink device might be your next essential tool. Remarkable at a glance 2. Convert your handwritten notes to typed text. Integrate with Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive. Take handwritten notes, read, and review documents. Easily import Microsoft Office files and web articles. Weeks of battery life. Take notes directly on PDFs. 2 lightweight, long-lasting. At just 4.7 mm and 403.5 G, you can take Remarkable to anywhere. And with up to 2 weeks of battery life, it's always ready to come out of your bag and get to work. 3 paper with digital powers. Transform your handwritten notes with powerful tools like undo, erase, resize, and move. Paper feel, digital workflow.
4. No more typing up notes. Easily convert handwritten notes to typed text. Move your converted notes into other notebooks or refine, expand, and share them with others. Supports 33 languages. Converts cursive and block letters. Share by email or upload to cloud services. 5. Connect subscription. Keep notes safe and accessible. Keep all your work safely stored, up to date, and ready to use on your paper tablet and in our mobile and desktop apps with Connect. 6. Bundles. Get the most out of Remarkable. Everything you need to simply unbox and get started. All Remarkable bundles include 9 spare marker tips, USB-C to USB-A cable, and a 100-day free Connect trial. 7. Marker Plus. Responsive and precise. An exceptional digital writing instrument with a built-in eraser. Simply flip it upside down to erase, just like a traditional pencil. Attaches magnetically. No charging or setup needed. Built-in eraser, only Marker Plus. Delivers paper-like friction. 8. Book Folio. Keep your Remarkable safe. Created with function and style in mind, all folios are made from fine materials and designed to fit your Remarkable to perfectly. Snaps into place with built-in magnets. Available in a fine leather that ages beautifully. Polymer weave. Premium leather. 9. Price. Remarkable to bundle with folio. 53,799. Remarkable to starter bundle. 44,999. Remarkable bundle with leather folio. 59,999. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.